Beneath the depths of oceans and under the peaceful waves of ancient seas lies not modern sea wonders, but something else which ruled the waters. Ever wondered what it was? Some sea predators that guarded the depths of Earth's ancient oceans. Our gigantic fish is called Xiphactinus if we talk about the Cretaceous period, to be exact. What secrets does this animal hold in its fossil deposits? What story do their prehistoric bones tell us? Stay with us until the end of this video to learn the mystery behind the fastest sea predator that ever lived on Earth. Approximately 112 million years ago, during the Cretaceous period, there lived a large predatory bony fish, Xiphactinus. The word Xiphactinus means sword ray. There have been two known species of Xiphactinus as of yet, Xiphactinus audax and Xiphactinus vitus, of which audax kind is the largest and first one to be discovered. What physical characteristics defined it as a ruler in ancient seas? Let's delve into the anatomy of this massive fish. If we talk about its size, Xiphactinus ranged from 15 to 20 feet in length and weighed up to half a ton. Looking at its body, it was similar to a torpedo, long and slim. Do you know what a torpedo is? A torpedo is an underwater weapon used to attack other boats. So its body was more like a torpedo, which was capable of reaching extremely fast when catching its target. How quickly could it go when chasing its prey? It was estimated to have a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour, due to which they were considered a great swimmer. Let me tell you one amazing fact about Xiphactinus. It does not only swim in the water like ordinary fishes, but can also leap out of the water like dolphins. This was usually done to remove any attached parasites on its body. Xiphactinus was also known for its huge head and enormous jaws. Because of its sharp teeth and scary mouth, the animal had a fear-like appearance, similar to a piranha, that was enough to dread a person seeing it. Are you already scared? Don't worry. The animal was already extinct several years ago, so there is no chance of you seeing it. The teeth inside the jaws were razor sharp and measured several inches in length, telling the story of this formidable predator. The fish also had several fins, including the front, back, and side, which contributed to its maneuverability in the waters. The body of Xiphactinus was more than just a slim figure. It was covered with scales which provided protection. How did these scales act as body armor? By protecting its body from the dangerous environment inside the sea. It is difficult to tell what color the Xiphactinus was, but it is depicted with silver color on the upper body and a lighter shade on the lower part from some pieces of evidence. What things does Xiphactinus feed on? What was its ideal prey? Let's have a look. The fish would have fed on whatever comes its way. So it had not just one, but so many options, and these included turtles, smaller fish, mosasaurs, etc. Besides fish, it also hunted seabirds like Hesperornis. Xiphactinus were also good scavengers and collected food from waste whenever they got any chance. This becomes evident from the skeletons found in its stomach. Do you know how long the undigested animal was found in its stomach? 6 feet. Yes, it was a complete 6-foot-long fish in its stomach. Incredible, right? That 6-foot fish was a prehistoric shark known as Gylicus arcuatus. It's like a fish inside a fish, which seems as if the Xiphactinus died immediately after eating the prey. The discovery of these skeletons inside Xiphactinus stomachs proved that it had a big appetite as the fish swallowed its prey all in one bite. Usually, Xiphactinus fed on animals smaller than itself, but some studies suggest that it attempted to eat a larger animal than itself, due to which it may have choked to death. Xiphactinus loved shallow waters. It spent most of its time swimming on the water's surface of shallow seas. An ancient sea, known as the Western Interior Seaway, immersed North America back in the Cretaceous period. That was the sea where Xiphactinus lived. Xiphactinus doesn't live in that sea alone. But other creatures such as mollusks, cephalopods, and many marine reptiles also shared the waters. Was Xiphactinus a top predator in this ecosystem? Or do other species under those waters prey on it? No, Xiphactinus was not the top predator amongst all. Instead, other large species beneath those calming seas have preyed on it. This became evident as an ancient shark named Cretaceous was found with Xiphactinus in its stomach. Squalocorax, which was known as the crow shark, was also a predator of Xiphactinus from the western interior seaway. Fossil deposits are a key to unlocking the mysteries of ancient creatures. The remains of Xiphactinus also helped to unravel its mystery, which were found in several places from Europe to Australia. Initially, it was discovered in Kansas and was named in 1870 by Professor Leedy. Many Xiphactinus skeletons have been found there, both complete and partial, and that too in huge numbers. These specimens definitely provided us with a valuable understanding of the anatomy and behavior of Xiphactinus. The remarkable discovery of a fossil with remains of other fish in its stomach also told us about its dietary habits. With the end of the Cretaceous period, the reign of Xiphactinus also came to an end. Yes, Xiphactinus went extinct about 65 million years ago. But what led to its decline? An end to the Cretaceous period was also an end to this sea predator Xiphactinus. The extinction event was vast and disastrous, leading to the loss of 70% of species on Earth. What was the tragedy that led to this decline? Was it the KPG event, which was considered the primary cause of the extinction? The misfortune happened after a huge asteroid hit the planet, releasing a large amount of sulfur into the atmosphere. This resulted in environmental disturbances such as massive wildfires and tsunamis, as well as the sulfur rain, due to which the acidity of prehistoric waters increased, affecting several species on the planet. Soon, the life deep down those peaceful waters started to collapse. Do you know what species was affected the most? Any guesses? It was the dinosaurs who were the famous victims of this event. However, marine life was no less harmful. It was not only the animals that died out, but marine food sources such as algae and plankton also disappeared. Besides acidification, temperature changes have also contributed to the decline of marine life. It is believed that the dust from the event would have entered the environment, blocking the sunlight. This would have caused a temperature drop globally, disturbing photosynthesis and destroying ecosystems both terrestrial and marine. This prolonged period of a temperature drop would have made it challenging for species to survive, resulting in the end of several species. Or you can say it was a matter of bad luck for creatures like Xiphactinus. This was The Journey, a tale of the giant predator Xiphactinus from prehistoric oceans, a time when these giants ruled the peaceful waters of ancient seas. That's it for today. If you want to get a glimpse of this creature, tune in to the last episode of Sea Monsters, in which it was featured. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and continue watching it as we will explore other wonders of the past in our upcoming videos. Until then, take care and see you soon.